All right, I'm back for more. So we're going to do one quick application just with the multiplication, just so you can see what it is. We're going to do more of this on Monday with multiplication, but I want to get you started now, okay? So two softball teams submit equipment lists to their sponsors. All right, so here's the deal. They have balls that they use. They have bats and gloves. And the two softball teams are going to be the Cardinals and the Blue Jays. Okay, so the Cardinals need 12 balls. Oh, oops, wait, erase. This should be bats and this should be balls. Bats, balls, gloves. All right, so they need 12, 45, and 15 gloves. Okay, and the Blue Jays need 15 of these, 38, and 17 gloves. Okay, so also each bats cost $80. Balls cost $6 each, and gloves cost $60. Jeez Louise. All right, so what we need to do is we need to use matrices to find the total cost of the equipment for each team. Okay, so what I can do is I can set up the costs of each thing in a matrix. All right, so I'll call that matrix C. So that would be $80 for the bats, $6 for the balls, and $60 for the gloves. Okay. All of these things here up here are equipment. So if I set a matrix up like that, that would be, we'll set up like a row per type of equipment. So we've got 12, 15, 45, 38, 15, 17. Okay, so one application for matrices, right, was solving a system of equations. This is almost kind of similar, but what we're going to do is we're going to use, it's another application, it's not similar to solving systems of equations, but what we're going to do is, if you think about it, right, you do $80 times 12, and that will give me the cost for that bat, right, for that team. And if I do $80 times 15, that will give me the cost for that bat. Well, can I do matrix multiplication here, right? And if you think about it, this matrix is a 1 by 3, and this matrix is a 3 by 2. So what do you know? These two things match, which is good. So I can multiply C times E, okay? And my solution will be the price, okay? The total cost, and it's going to end up being a 1 by 2 matrix will be our answer. Okay, so let me scroll down and let's do it. Ah! Where did it go? Okay, so let me, is it still recording? Yes, okay, so here we go. Let me scroll down and let's multiply them. So I need CE, right? So I've got here row by column. Oh boy. All right, so we need to do 80 times 12 plus 6 times 45 plus 60 times 15. Okay, the second entry is now going to be this row in C, the cost matrix. times the second column, which is the Blue Jays stuff. Okay, so we've got 15 times 80 plus 6 times 38 plus 60 times 17. So really the thing that I think would make the most sense is just to type all this in on your calculator to get the final answer. So here it's going to be 2,130. And the second entry ended up being 2,448. So that's your matrix. All right? So what ended up happening is that this is the total cost for who was in that first row. I forgot. Was it Cardinals? And this ended up being the total cost for the Blue Jays. So we can use matrices for things other than just solving systems of equations. Here's one example. I'll give you a homework assignment for this weekend that you need to do stuff like this. All right? Cool? Cool.